Video Team 1 presents Sloan Auto Flusher to Sloan Manual Flusher Conversion video. Start by removing the beauty cap and using a flathead screwdriver to shut off the water supply. Don't forget to subscribe or like our short videos. Loosen the stop coupling and outlet coupling with the pipe wrench. Loosen the stop coupling and outlet coupling. Remove the tail piece out of the supply flange. Swap the auto flusher with the manual flusher. Remove and replace the vacuum brake assembly. Make sure to install new seals. Install the tail piece into the supply flange and line up the outlet coupling. Carefully start the outlet coupling and the stop coupling by hand to avoid cross-threading them. Pipe wrench to tighten the stop coupling and outlet coupling. Occasionally there may be a need to tighten the spud coupling. Turn on the water. Check for leaks and repair as necessary. Tested good. No leak found. Reinstall the beauty cap/water supply valve cover. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe or like our short videos. Created by Video Team 1. Created using Nero Video. The end.